sequins with the good scissors.
Gotcha.
Because it will dull the heck out of them. So, do you want to do like a square, maybe? I mean, that would be a lot though. If you don't need it to be that big, 'cause it's 50 something inches long.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Hey guys, so today I am going to walk you through the process as I walk through the process on how to create this do-rag for the Durag Fest. So this is a different kind of do-rag, so I'm curious how this is going to turn out. But I'm using this as a pattern, and this is the material that I got from Joann's. I'm pressed because it was expensive, but because I only needed this amount, it was only $7 with my little credit. Now, here's the thing. This is going to be interesting, but I think I have a good pattern to work with. Check out the velvet here. So, of course, this is going to be like the part where it's on your face, the headband. And then this will be the rest of it. It also gives you different colors. So I'm super excited of how it's going to turn out. So stay tuned. This is the fun part. Trying to figure out what kind of glue I want to use to make sure that the fabric actually stays attached to the do-rag. There is a interesting kind of back to the material because of the sequin. So it's its own little funky stitching. And I want to make sure that because it's the day of and there's not a lot of time for it to just sit and dry, that as I'm walking about, this thing does not separate from the do-rag, because this is basically what I like to call reupholstering, okay? Because it's an existing pattern. I'm just trying to wrap it like a car. So this is a project. You guys are going to experience it with me. This is what you would call a DIY. So I'm gonna let y'all know which glue I end up with. It might be both. The other part to this whole thing is I don't know what I'm wearing with the do-rag. So I realized I have mad fabric. So I just might do a little number with this actual fabric. What y'all think? Do we do a skirt? You know what I'm saying? And tie that thing up. Here at the top. Of course, I would have to wear something underneath it. But do a little number like this. Or do a little tube top. And tie it up. Little bandeau number. And this is just for demonstration, of course. It ain't gonna be that fast, but I'm just trying to get some concepts here. Some concepts. I like the bandeau top. Okay. Yeah. We got some extra fabric, y'all. We're gonna have a party. In the cloud, light it up, high up, keep me in the cloud, light it up, high up, keep me in the cloud, light it up, high up. All right, y'all. This is my do-rag. This is gonna be the front. I left the initial straps from the initial structure of the do-rag to do my wrap. And as I thought, I do have a little fabric left over. We're gonna see what I end up doing with this. I just want to let y'all know it's glitter everywhere though, or sequin everywhere. But I'm excited. Alright, y'all. So I really think I'm going to go ahead and go with the skirt. Can't wait to see what top I decide on. But I think we're going with the skirt, baby, to match the do-rag. I'm excited. So this is what I call conceptualizing. This is not really how I'm going to wear the skirt. And there's going to be more to my do-rag. But the funny thing with this one is this is for the girls, you know, who wear the braids. But I felt like this was the best kind of do-rag for me to use, considering the fabric that I wanted to go with. So I still have the regular strings, as I mentioned. Trying to figure out, do I want to bring the ties up to the front? Or do I just leave it as just the velvet headband part? I don't know. Still thinking. Got my do-rag on. Had to switch wigs, you know what I'm saying? But, let's see, can you see it? Okay, so now you should be able to see it. So this is the look, guys. This is the vibe.